Okay, so we're looking at the Applied Learning Theories assignment, the 5E Instructional Model. Your 5 E's, remember, are engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Here's your assignment. So in your group's discussion forum, you're going to look for 4 things. So you're going to choose a phenomenon or problem. You're going to decide on the grade level age group, decide on how to split the work, and then decide who's going to submit it. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your group, edit a wiki page with a lesson, right? It says a week-long lesson where students spend about 15 to 30 minutes each day exploring, right, those 5 E's. And then after you submit it, you're going to individually leave something, a comment, all right? And you're going to answer those 3 questions with your comment. Here's the rubric. So we have 15 points based on your discussions as a group. And this is individual. So if you're posting and you're doing your part to create the discussion, then you're getting your points, right? Remember, the 4 things are all there. And exceeds expectations are the people who are initiating these conversations. Your wiki page, that's 15 points. So that is your group points. Okay, so 15 points is determined by the group work, and then the other 25 points are determined individually. Because if you individual reflection, answering those 3 questions is 10 points. So again, we have the SLO tied to this assignment. Let's look at what your group page is going to be. All right, so here's an example group page. You have your announcements. Nothing's posted yet because no one's participated yet. If you want to know your people, right, you click on the people button. Discussions is where you're going to discuss. So here I click the plus discussion, and whoever starts it can start typing. Remember, we have 4 things to talk about, so you should probably start 4 different discussions. Once you type it, all you do is press save, publish, save and publish, and the rest of your group can see it. If you click on pages, that's where you're going to do your work. So you're going to click the edit with the pencil. You can do this step on a phone, it's just not as many capabilities. Mine says launching tools on the side, except you're not going to have these tools. So I'm going to close that, unless your district purchases them. And here's our page. So you can just type straight onto the page. All right, you can make things bold, you can increase the font, you can use highlighters, you can change the color of things, you can put a background color. You can insert media, or you can upload media. You have your pictures, you can make a link. So this is the chain. So you have a lot of things to play with. You can also make a link to other files. All of this is only accessible to your group. All right, you don't want to work at the same time as other people, so kind of coordinate that effort. Press save. I'm going to cancel this so I don't want to mess up the group's work. And once you save, the URL you're going to submit is actually at the top. So here, I would copy this, whoever's going to turn it in, copy that, and go back to the assignment page, and submit. So mine says resubmit because I've made sure everything works, but let me click that again. Yours will just say submit. Web URL, click right there, paste it, and then submit. So after you submit, remember you have to answer those 3 questions. So here they are again. What did you enjoy about the assignment? What would you change, maybe for the discipline or the age group? So I'm going to click submission details. And here's where I can type my answer. So on the teacher end, I don't see the page yet, but if I click view in a new tab, it's going to take me directly to the page your group was editing.